everyone. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and today I have a Shein haul for you. This is the first time I've ever ordered from Shein. I seen Hey Everybody haul from Shein, and some of the stuff she got I liked, so I wanted to get it. And since I was already doing an order, I did look in my cart to see what I did have in there and my wish list. And so I got a couple extra items. So it's not a big haul, but, you know, it's a haul. Okay, so the first thing, where'd it go? Okay, the first thing I seen are these ghost earrings. And I thought these earrings were so cute. And they are like, oh, they're glittery. Okay, hold on. Well, it's weird. That's weird, because I don't know if you can tell, but this one is glittery, but this one's not. I don't know if they mixed them up, like, you know, like you could have got glittery ones, and you could have got, like, iridescent ones, or whatever. It's okay. I'm still going to use them anyway, so. There's that. Next up, I did get me some belts because the belt that I have is like wearing down. So I did want to get a couple. The first belt that I got, I thought this was cute. Hopefully it fits me. It's got a little heart for the buckle. And then there's also hearts here. And it's just like a small, thin belt. So I don't know how long it's going to last. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it'll fit me. Okay, it will. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I like that, and it's not like cheap material. It feels nice and sturdy. Okay. And then this next one I got is a cheetah one. And it's in silver. I wish it was in gold, to be honest, but it's okay. This is a thinner material than this one. Well, no, I take that back. It's not. I think it's about the same. It's not the same exact material, but this one feels sturdy too. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this is one of the items that I did see her haul, which is this. And I think I got 2 of these. And it's a hanger thing for your closet. If I can put it in here. Okay, there we go. And then she said you could hook it this way, or you could hook it this way. I'd rather hook it this way, because then it's not, you know, if you do it like this, everything's going to hang down. So, like, the shirts and stuff are going to be, like, really low. And so, I've gotten hanger things like this from Temu that are like this, and I don't like them. They're really cheaply made, and I don't like that shirts hang like super, super long down. But I like this one because you can actually, that's weird. I wonder if that's the way to do it. I like this one because maybe it's this side. I don't know which side. I'm going to have to look to see which side it's supposed to be. But this one, you know, they hang like this. So then you don't have like they're not hanging to the ground, because my closet is packed, like super packed, and I need some type of hanger thing to help with all the clothes I got in there. I'm trying to put it on. Okay, I don't know if that's the right way, but I'm gonna have to look at the pictures. But yeah, so there should be another one in here, because I know I didn't want to just get one. Yeah, there it is. Okay, this one kind of looks bent a little bit. Okay, so next up, oh, okay. Now these, I did order, a long time ago, I did order one of these on Amazon, and it came broken. And I was like, I'm not going to buy it again. You know, I got my money back, but I didn't bother with it, purchasing it again. But I did see them, I think I seen them on Temu first, but when I was doing the order for Shein, or I also seen them on Shein, so I just grabbed them. And these go on the side of your computer. And so you just stick it on the edge of your computer, and you can put notes, or you could write stuff on here. So it's got a star right here, and then a clock, and then like a little email. I thought it was cute, and I liked that it had like a little hook up top, and it's got a little thing so you can like put sticky notes right here, so you don't have to put them, you know, like scatter them around and stuff. So you were able to get both sides. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. You were able to purchase both sides, and that's what I wanted. And I was like, yes, because I definitely need these, and I'm glad these are not broken. So I'm really happy about that. I'm definitely going to put this on my computer as soon as I get a chance. So, and I think, if I remember correctly, you could have got it where it was just a flat one. You didn't have to get this particular one. But I wanted this one so I could hold my sticky notes on there. Okay, so let's see. Next up. Oh, I did. Oh, okay. I was going to say, I don't remember getting a t-shirt. But, yeah, I do remember getting this t-shirt. Okay, and you could have got it in different colors. I'm not exactly sure which colors. I'll probably put up here which colors you could get. But I chose the cream or the yellow, whatever you call it. And it says Happy Friday. I thought that was cute. And it has the little pencil. It's supposed to be for teachers. I'm a college student, so I thought it was cute. For me, I could wear it on Fridays when I don't have to do any homework or anything like that. So, and it's nice and soft. Like, I don't know about Shein, but I know on Temu, like, sometimes the t-shirts, you know, they're not super soft or anything like that, and they don't really feel like a t-shirt sometimes. Like I said, this is my first order from Shein, so I'm not sure if Shein's the same way. But this is really soft, and what does this say? I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see if there's a tag that says what kind of material it is. There's a tag here, but I don't see material. Yeah, it doesn't say what material. I'll look up my order and I'll tell you what type of material it is. Okay. Next up, I don't think she hauled this, but I happened to see it when I was looking for the other stuff. And I thought this would be good. to have. But yeah, so I thought this would be cool for pants. To hang your pants, because on both sides, on my t-shirt side and my pants side, is like totally full, like super full. So I thought this would be perfect too, because the pants would be hanging, you know, like sideways. So I got that, and this is actually made of metal, this one. I might have got 2 of them. Yes, I did get 2 of them. Okay. Yeah, see, I was smart this time. I was like, you better get 2 of those. Okay, next up, I think she did hold this, if I remember correctly. But you kind of have to fix it yourself. Like, here's the hanger part. And then it hooks like, does it say what it's supposed to hook up? No, it doesn't. But I think it was supposed to hook up like belts or something. But I was thinking of using this for purses. Because I have all my purses like up above, and it's just like piled on. Like there's no like organization to my purses at all. So I thought this would be good, and it does come in 2 pairs. So you do get 2. Okay. Next up, I did see, this might have been in my cart. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But I did see this jacket on. I thought it was a jacket. I guess you could call it a jacket, but it's a weird material though. And it's very thin. It feels like, not a t-shirt, but like that type of material. Like, you know what I mean, like a material something like that, but not exactly a t-shirt, which kind of sucks. I mean, it's cool, but I didn't think it was going to be this thin. I thought it was going to be like, I don't want to say leather, like I knew it wasn't going to be leather, but I thought it was going to be like faux leather or something like that. So, yeah, it's very, very thin. I don't know what to say about this. I'm kind of disappointed in this. Am I going to wear it? I'm probably still going to wear it. Probably still going to wear it anyway, but I am disappointed in this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, she did haul this one, and I thought it was a good idea. This is like a drain cleaner. So you put it down your drain, and then you get all the gunk or the hair or whatever, because my hair comes out when I do anything, when I brush it, when I wash it, all that stuff. So it ends up down the sink, and I thought this was, would be perfect, because I've tried those plastic ones, and one time I couldn't even get it out. And it was like stuck in my sink for like 3 months, and then finally I was able to pull it out. But for some reason I thought it was longer. Like when she hauled it, I thought it was like this long. It just seemed like it was that long, but it's fine. I'm still going to use it. And then, is this the last item? Let's see. Yep, this is the last item. Like ooh, sorry, Velvet. I I got my velvet right here. Yes, this is the last item. Well, I found them after this, but before I did the order, I was like, where are all my jeans? I can't find any jeans. I only have like 2 pairs of jeans, but then I found them after I placed the order. But it's okay. You can always use some jeans, you know. There's a little tissue paper here. But I thought these were cute. And I like how they got the discoloration right here. And I like that they got pockets right here. So, and they are like bell bottomy. They kind of look like a little ruffle, kind of like a small hint of ruffle on the bottoms. This is cute. Yeah, and you got pockets back here. Yeah, these are cute. I like these. They're not super heavy like jean material, but they're not, you know, thin, cheap material either. So, yeah, I'm happy with these. I'm definitely, I'm going away this weekend, so I'm definitely going to take these with me. That's why I wanted to do this haul today. So that's everything in my Shein haul. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm sure I will purchase from Shein again. And I will see you next time.